Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, I am Rizka Nadifa Rasyid from Mathematic Education class 5B. How are you today friends? I hope you are in good condition and stay healthy guys. Okay, in this video I will explain about arithmetic sequence. What is arithmetic sequence? For more detail, let's watch this video.
Okay, before we discussing the materials, consider the following story. An elementary school held a competition to celebrate Indonesia's birthday. One of the competitions is a tug of war. Each batch sends one group representative. The higher the class, so the longer the rope. How to determine the length of the rope for grade 6 if the length of the first class ropes is known? Suppose this is the rope of each class. Let's say U is the class symbol, so the first class is U sub 1, the second class is U sub 2, and so on. Suppose the first class strings is A, so U sub 1 equals A, because the second class rope is longer than the first class rope. So the second class rope is the first class rope plus B. B is the difference between the first class rope and the second class rope. Then, the length of the third class rope is the length of the second class rope plus B. So, the length of the third class rope is U sub 3 equals A plus B plus B, or U sub 3 equals A plus 2B. Look at the number pattern. It can be conclude the formula is U sub n equals A plus quantity of n minus 1 times B. In mathematics, this kind of formula is called the arithmetic sequence formula. For more details, let's watch this video. Okay friends, we are going to talk about what is arithmetic sequence, and we are going to find out how to find the entrance of the given sequence first. Let's define what is arithmetic sequence. The definition of an arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. It can be addition or subtraction operation. For example, we have sequence 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, and so on, is an example of arithmetic sequence. The second term is 7. It's obtained by adding 3 to the first terms. That is, 4 plus 3 equals 7. The third term is 10. It's obtained by adding 3 to the second terms. That is, 7 plus 3 equals 10. The fourth term is 13. It's obtained by adding 3 to the third terms. That is, 10 plus 3 equals 13. The fifth term is 16. It's obtained by adding 3 to the fourth terms. That is, 13 plus 3 equals 16. So, 3 we can call the common difference. To find common difference, you can also subtract any term from the previous terms. From the example, 7 minus 4 equals 3, 10 minus 7 equals 3, 13 minus 10 equals 3, 16 minus 13 equals 3. So, the common difference here is 3. In order for us to find the next terms, we just simply add the common difference to the last terms. Next, the example. In the following, which is the arithmetic sequence. On point A, we have sequence 3, 5, 8, 10, and so on. It's not an arithmetic sequence because the common difference is not constant. On point B, we have sequence 7, 5, 3, 1, and so on. It's an arithmetic sequence because the common difference is constant, which is -2. On point C, we have sequence 15, 30, 45, 60, and so on. It's an arithmetic sequence because the common difference is constant, which is plus 15. On point D, we have sequence 25, 20, 17, 15, and so on. It's not an arithmetic sequence because the common difference is not constant. Okay, this time we are going to talk about how to find the n terms of the arithmetic sequence. That we already know, the sequence of number is an arithmetic sequence if the difference between the n terms and the previous terms is constant. Suppose the first term is a, the common difference is b, then u sub 1 equals a, u sub 2 equals a plus b, u sub 3 equals a plus 2b until un equals a plus quantity of n minus 1 times b. So, the formula for the n terms is u sub n equals a plus quantity of n minus 1 times b, where u sub n is the n terms, a is the first terms, b is the common difference, and n is the number of terms. Based on the problem, suppose the length of the first class rope is 5 meters, class 2 is 9 meters, class 3 is 13 meters, and so on increase far. Then the length of the class 6 rope is... We got the arithmetic sequence is 5, 9, 13, and so on. Then we know from the problem, the first terms is 5, the common difference is 4. Then we use the formula u sub n equals a plus quantity of n minus 1 times b. It becomes u sub 6 equals 5 plus quantity of 6 minus 1 times 4 equals 5 plus quantity of 5 times 4 equals 5 plus 20 equals 25. So, the length of the class 6 is 25.
Okay, that's an explanation about arithmetic sequence, and I hope this video can be usable for you all. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time, and bye bye.